Hello guys, welcome back to another episode with the Catch crew. Today we've got a special guest down here. We're going to punch up river and see what we can catch. We've got a beautiful sunrise happening. It's just magical on the water today. There's no breeze in the air, which is really good. So we're looking forward to going for a flick. And yeah, so if anything interesting happens, we'll keep you update you along for the journey. I'm so excited. I hope you're excited. Let's get it. We're out, baby. Get a boy. Gonna wear somewhere and it's gonna be a good day. Let's get it. Alrighty, Catch crew. We've got special guest Benny on the boat today. He's going to be fresh off a night shift. He's just pulled a 12-hour night shift. He's come straight out, jumped in a boat. We're going to be out here for a few hours, see what we can get. It's going to be prime. Benny's going to flick a lure around for a bit. I've got a bait drifting. This tide is pushing out that way. We are drifting. But if anything interesting happens, we'll be sure to try and get it on film for you guys and see what we can catch. So we had no luck drifting from that spot, but we're going to punch out up to the river mouth at the moment. See if we can catch something. We'll just slowly punch out up here. Absolutely stellar conditions today. It's flat, there's absolutely no wind. What a beautiful day to be out on the water. I think it's meant to be that way up.
Little bream. What do we got? Brembo. Yeah, boy.
Oh, yeah,
I've got you. Yeah.
That's right. That's just on the hook. Look out.
He's grunting.
Oh, look at that. He smashed that. Look at that hooking, bro. Look, that's a good hook. Oh, fucking see, as soon as she wakes up. Not bad. Oh, yeah.
Not bad. Nice size.
Stop. I mean, we are 25, but you'll be right. Oh, I don't know what sight. Look at this. Look at how pretty this fish is. Alrighty guys, that's it for another episode. We're back at home now. Yeah, so we had a good day. We caught some fish. No keepers, unfortunately, but hey, that's fishing. It is what it is. I did have a bit of trouble with the outboard on the way back, so yeah, that's right, but we got it sorted now. It's all well and good. Stay tuned guys, because there's more episodes coming with the boat, 100%. I'm buying a big boat at tax time, so we're going to get out to the reef, do some diving. I've got a few special guests lined up to come on. And yeah, we look forward to it, Catch Crew, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next episode.